If you sit all day, your body is slowly breaking down. But these 3 simple exercises can undo hours of damage in just 10 minutes. Skip this, and you'll feel it later in your back, your neck, and your knees. Before we start, hit subscribe because I post daily habits that keep your body strong and pain-free. Here's the truth. Most people sit for 8, 10, even 12 hours a day at a desk, in a car, on their phone, and over time, your hips get tight, your shoulders round forward, your lower back starts to ache. You don't notice it at first, but one day, your body feels stiff, weak, and painful. These 3 exercises fix exactly that. Exercise 1, deep squat hold. This is the fastest way to unlock your hips and fix lower body stiffness. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet slightly wider than your shoulders, toes slightly pointed out. Now squat all the way down, as deep as you can. Let your hips drop. Keep your heels flat on the ground, chest up, back straight. Hold this position for 60 seconds. It's going to feel uncomfortable. That's a good sign, because sitting all day tightens your hips, and this reverses it. Do this daily, and you'll notice your back feels lighter, your hips move freely, and even simple movements feel easier. Exercise 2, dead hang. If sitting is crushing your posture, this fixes it. Find a pull-up bar or anything you can safely hang from. Grab it and just hang. Let your body relax. Let gravity stretch your spine. Start with 30 seconds, work up to 60 to 90 seconds. This one move opens your shoulders, stretches your chest, decompresses your spine. Basically, it undoes that hunched-over position you stay in all day. At first, your grip will give out quickly. That's normal. Stick with it, and your posture will start correcting itself. Quick question, which one feels hardest so far? Comment below. I read every single one. Exercise 3, glute bridge hold. This is the one most people ignore, but it might be the most important. Because sitting shuts off your glutes completely. And when your glutes stop working, your lower back and knees take the hit. Here's how to fix it. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Now push through your heels and lift your hips up. Squeeze your glutes hard at the top. Hold for 45 to 60 seconds. You should feel a burn. If you don't, squeeze harder. This reactivates your glutes, which protects your back, improves posture, and makes your whole body stronger. Here's why this combo is so powerful. Sitting all day creates 3 big problems: tight hips, weak glutes, rounded shoulders. These exercises fix all of them. Deep squat opens your hips. Dead hang fixes your upper body. Glute bridge activates your foundation. Together, they reset your body in under 10 minutes. So here's the deal. You can keep sitting all day and deal with pain later. Or spend 10 minutes now and stay strong, mobile, and pain-free for years. Your choice. Hit like if this helped. Subscribe for more daily fixes like this. And comment starting today if you're committing to these 3. I'll see you in the next one.